In this video, I'll be demonstrating some of the new things you can do around the firehouse. Brooklyn features 4 fully furnished firehouses, and we took time to work on things that you can do inside the firehouse while you wait for a call. Just a tour around this firehouse specifically. One feature is the riding lists are dynamic, so if we're in a multiplayer game, as people join the roles on the companies, their name will pop up on the riding list. Another thing is the exhaust hoses are dynamic and they work. That's a pretty cool feature. One of my favorites, if we go in the kitchen, every firehouse has TVs. You can play YouTube links on the TV. You can also sit down at the kitchen table.
And away we go. Coobs is just letting you know, bro. Coobs.
Once you're done sitting down, you can cancel the animation.
I'm already through Jameson's, and I showed the boys.
Or we can go outside and smoke a cigarette or cigar, either one. We can talk on the phone. We can go to House Watch.
Into the moonshine.
One cool thing are the Firehouse alerting systems, which display the active emergency. So if we were to get a run, all the information would appear on these screens. So for example, also if we look inside of the rig, the MDT has the run as well as the ones in the back.
Alarm 1616, 1805 Fulton Street, between Malcolm X Boulevard and Patchen Avenue, reporting an odor of gas in the laundromat. Alarm 1616, 1805 Fulton Street, Malcolm X Boulevard to Patchen Avenue, reporting an odor of gas in the laundromat. 1854 445.
I'll give you guys an example of how the exhaust hoses work real quick. By default, they'll be connected to your truck, but I've been playing the game a little bit, so they're not connected. If you want to reconnect them, just simply drive the truck forward until the magnetic hooks on. So as you can see, it's hooked onto our truck. If we back in, the hose will slide along the slider, and if we turn out, the hose will slide, and then disconnect. And as we come back to the firehouse, the hose will snap back onto our truck. That way the exhaust fumes do not overcome the firehouse. So I hope you guys enjoy those new features inside of the firehouse. We do have plenty more that we want to do, like cooking animations, cleaning, sliding down the poles.
Early 90s, late 80s was
but this should definitely allow you to
it wasn't,
not be super bored
weird
between
if you were
runs.
in
You
a
can watch
club.
some YouTube videos and you can hang out and enjoy it. The more you know.